Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone so recording works smoothly. First, make sure Oxygen OS is updated and battery is sufficient. Low power can throttle captures. Next, swipe down twice from the top to expose quick settings and locate the screen recorder tile. Once you see it, long press the tile to open settings. Here you grant microphone and storage permissions and choose whether to show touches. Once done, return to the screen you want to record and get ready to trigger. You now configure recording options so the capture meets your needs. Tap the settings gear to pick resolution and frame rate. Higher values give smoother video but use more storage. Decide between internal audio, mic, or both. Internal avoids ambient noise, while mic captures your voice. You can enable touch indicators and a front camera overlay for commentary. Make sure to close heavy background apps to prevent dropped frames, and prepare the exact screen you'll record before tapping Start. You're ready to record and finish cleanly. Tap Start and use the countdown to position the screen. Navigate through actions while the recorder runs. When done, stop via the floating control or the notification. The clip saves to gallery where you can trim, add voiceover, or share. Make sure you have storage free before long captures. If the recorder won't start, reboot the phone, recheck microphone and storage permissions, and clear the recorder app cache. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.